Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys a foundation demo and review. We will be demoing and reviewing the Makeup Revolution foundation. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so let's go ahead and get started. So I wanted to let you guys know what I prepped my face with. Of course I did my skincare routine, and then to follow with moisturizing, I did go ahead and use my Mario Badescu water, and this one is the facial spray, or not water, excuse me. This is the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I like to use this before and after makeup. I feel like it gives my skin a lot of moisture without like making me too oily. And then I went in with this little Japanese Velvet Touch primer. This is a sample size. I got this like a while ago, either from like Sephora or Ulta, so I don't know. But I do like this primer sometimes, so I went ahead and used this one. I'm trying to use it all up so that I can get rid of it. So yeah, that is what I use to prep my face. Okay you guys, so I actually purchased 3 different shades of this foundation. So these are the shades that I purchased. And I'll explain to you guys why. A while ago I did actually use the concealers before they came out with these. I know they came out with these a while ago, but before that I used the concealer as highlight, contour, and foundation. So I was really happy and excited to see when they came out with the foundations. But anyways, when I used that, I believe I used C15. I can't remember what I used for the actual, I should have just went back and looked at the video, but I couldn't remember. So I went ahead and picked up F16, and then I also picked up F18, and then I also picked up F15. So the reason I picked up F18 is because I do like to use this shade to contour, which I have the concealer still for now. I bought a couple of them, so once I run out of that I will be going in and using this. So that is why I bought the F18. And then the 15 and 16, I honestly cannot really see a difference. I have been wearing this foundation and I just really don't see the difference between the color match. Now I will say that the 15 does seem a little bit darker, but I don't know, like they're both a good match. So today I chose to go in with the F16 just because I feel like that is like the best match for me. But if you are around my skin tone, you can use the 15 or the 16. It'll just really depend on how you think it looks. I can't really see a significant difference once I run out of the 16, which I actually bought another one because I took it to travel with me, because I recently went to Florida. So I wanted to take one to travel with me, and I wanted to make sure I had one to demo for you guys, but I still have a lot left in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with the shade 16. So I also recently picked up some new brushes from Ulta by Real Techniques, and they were buy one get one half off, and I think they were only like 20 bucks. So I was like, I am going to definitely get some. So I think I'm gonna take this brush set and use today. So yeah, we'll be going ahead and using the Expert face brush to blend out the foundation. Okay, so here is the foundation, which I'm sure you guys already seen, but just in case for those of you who have not seen, here is how the foundation looks. It definitely looks similar to the concealers, but just obviously bigger because it is a foundation. So this is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I have this one in the color F16, and this is 0.8 fluid ounces, which is the standard thing that you would get for every normal foundation, what you should get. So I really do love the applicator that they have. They have like the doe foot applicator, and it's really large. So I like this because it's really easy to just apply onto your face. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit onto my face. I'm just gonna work in sections because I find that this foundation does kind of like dry pretty quick. I don't know if it was the primer I was using, because I did use this with the Can't Stop Won't Stop primer before, and it was drying pretty quick. So I'm just gonna work with it in sections anyways. And then I also just wanted to do like one side first, just for demonstration purposes, just so you guys can kind of see like the color match as well, like once it dries down and everything. And I'm just gonna blend it down my neck a little bit, and I really like the way this brush blends as well. Blends really nice. It makes everything easy and seamless. Okay, so here it is blended on this side of my face. So I think it is a very full coverage foundation. I can't really see anything. I did not apply it in this area because I know that I'm going to use the concealer, and the Makeup Revolution concealers are pretty they are pretty full coverage, so I didn't want to use a lot of product in this area. But yeah, this foundation is really full coverage on me. Now, if you do have blemishes, this foundation is buildable, excuse me. I did use this before when I had like a big blemish on my cheek, and I was able to blend it and it was not heavy or anything. So if you do have like a couple blemishes, you could either color correct or just build up the foundation. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the foundation onto the rest of my face. Okay, divas, so this is what it looks like all over my face. So I am gonna go in and finish the rest of my makeup. I might do it on camera, I'm not too sure yet. I probably should, just so you guys can know what I use like all over my face. But I'm gonna be using products by Makeup Revolution. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it on camera. So I'm gonna go on with their concealer, and this is their Conceal and Define full coverage concealer, and this one is in the shade C13. So I'm also going to be using another brush by Real Techniques. This is the Deluxe Concealer Brush, and it looks like this. I absolutely love blending out my under eye concealer with brushes like this. Now I'm going to go in with this Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and this one is in the shade Terracotta. To apply it, I'm just going to use this Real Techniques sponge. I did not wet it or anything. I'm just going to use the sponge to set all the areas where I highlighted. I'm going to dust that away because I just wanted to bake while I was applying the powder to the other parts of my face. I did not plan on baking that long. Now I'm going to go on with another concealer by Makeup Revolution, and this one is in C18, and I'm going to use that to contour. I'm going to go in and set my face with this Mario Badescu water. And while my face dries down, I'm going to go in with one of these glosses. I just recently picked up this Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss kit. This is their lip gloss set. I guess this is from the holiday collection. I don't know, but these look really cute. I just want to put on like a simple gloss today, since I'm probably just going to put on lashes and liner maybe. So let's see, which one should we put on? I chose to go with this one. This one is called Pearl, and I'm just gonna put it directly on top of my lip plumper that I already applied. So now I'm gonna go in with highlight, and I haven't picked up any recently, I don't believe, but I'm just gonna go in with these ones by Dose of Colors. I got these from Ulta, of course, as well, and this is Fuego and Chasing the Sun. I'm going to put on Chasing the Sun and then top it off with Fuego. I think I'm just gonna leave it at Chasing the Sun because I really like how this looks, and I feel like I need something a little bit more warm because I'm wearing red, so I'm gonna leave it at Chasing the Sun. Sorry. Okay, divas, so I am finished with my face. As you guys can see, I didn't really do anything except add lashes. The lashes that I use are these pink box. You can get these at your local beauty supply. Well, they're at my local beauty supply. I don't know about yours, but they are at mine, and these ones are called US Route 91, and this is the 3D mink hair lashes. And these are about like $14 or $15 at my local beauty supply store, and I really think that they're really cute. And sorry, they are on my eyes, that's why they're not in here, in case you're like, girl. But I just wanted to tell you guys the name of them just in case you have them at your local beauty supply store. And then I did change my gloss to the more gold one, and that one is called Citron. So I did put that on my lips because I felt like it complemented my highlight better than the pearl one. It was a little bit too cool tone. So anywho, let's go ahead and get into the foundation. I think for my future foundation videos, I'm just going to talk about the foundation. I'm not going to talk so much about the products, but I think that sometimes that's important. But anyways, you guys can let me know what you guys want to see. So as you guys seen, I did not set my face with a powder at all except for my highlighting areas, and mainly the reason why I set those was because of the simple fact that I do get oily in the T-zone area only, but the rest of my face I don't. So I don't typically set it with powder. That's just a personal choice. Sometimes you don't have to go through that, go followed by that, excuse me, if you don't want to, especially if you have oily skin. That can be scary, but for me, I am pretty normal on the outer perimeter. It's just this area that I have to, you know, secure so that they don't fail me, you know, like in the middle of the day. Okay, so anywho, yeah, I did not set this with powder, so you do not have to set this with powder if you do not want to, but if your face is oily all over, I would definitely always recommend setting a powder. Setting with a powder, excuse me. So overall, I really do like the foundation. It is very lightweight. It is very full coverage for me anyways, and if it's not full coverage for you, you could definitely build it up without it looking like extra cakey, although this is a full coverage foundation. Another great thing, the first great thing that we should even talk about, is the fact that it is super affordable. So that is one of the great things about it as well. I can't remember how much it was. I will annotate it on the screen, but I remember it was super duper affordable, and you can get it at Ulta, so it is like right at your convenience. But yeah, overall, I really do like this foundation. It is a really nice foundation. It lasts through the day, whether it's hot or cold, and I have tested that out, so I would definitely recommend this foundation. It is really, really nice. You can get it at Ulta. I am in the US. I know this is a brand that did not start off in the US, so if you're outside of the US or wherever it came from, I'm so sorry, I don't even know, but you can get it, like, I guess at you guys' drugstores, but for us here in USA, we can get it at Ulta, or you can just order it online if you want to. But yeah, it is at our convenience, and I really, really do like it, and yeah, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. So definitely go ahead and check out this foundation. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.